Hi guys, welcome back to a new video of how to log in. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Unifrog's account. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Now, to log into your Unifrog's account, firstly open your Google search, type in Unifrog login and make a search. It will display the search results. Click on the first link shown on the screen. It will take you to the official page of Unifrog. To sign into your Unifrog's account, enter your email address and password associated with your account, then tap on Sign In. This is how you can log into your Unifrog's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.